Hello traders, today is the 12th of December 2010 and a happy weekend to you all. This video is about how to count the Elliot waves, okay? How to count the Elliot wave. According to Elliot wave theory, okay, the trend will consist of 5 waves and ABC correlation. So we'll have and if we have an uptrend, the uptrend will consist of 5 waves. And the third wave will be the longest wave. So we have the first wave, second wave, third wave, the longest wave, and then the fourth wave and the fifth wave. After we have counted the 5 waves, we will have the ABC correction. This is the theory. This is the theory according to Elliot, okay? So talking about Elliot wave theory, the market, whether in the uptrend or the downtrend, will move in 5 ways. So in a downtrend, we'll count 5 waves to the downside plus the ABC correction. So in the uptrend, we'll have 5 waves to the upside plus ABC correction. The ABC correction in the uptrend will be a movement to the downside, and the ABC correction in the downtrend will be a movement to the upside. Okay, I will show you right here. I have here the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair. Thinking of some nice sunny weather, I decided to look at the Australian dollar currency pair because right now in London it's cold. Okay, so we are thinking of some nice, beautiful sunny places. So the only thing that we can think of now is the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair. Okay, now we're going to see how can we count the Elliot wave like professional traders. Now, by the way, if you do not know how, if you do not understand the subject of Elliot wave, you are behind, okay? So if you want to start competing with the best trader out there, you must be busy learning slowly by surely the subject of Elliot wave. That this is a very friendly advice that I can give you right now. If you are a new trader, it doesn't matter what is your trading level, you must start right now slowly by surely learning about the Elliot wave theory. The best website that I created simplifying the subject of Elliot wave is www.24elliottwaves.com. Okay, www.digit4 Elliot waves in plural.com. Okay, you go there and you enjoy yourself learning about the subject of Elliot wave. As you can see, the price went down. Okay, if you follow my cursor, this Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair went down. Okay, big time from this level where I'm moving my cursor all the way here, and then display a double bottom pattern. Okay, now the double bottom pattern has ended, has signaled the end of the downtrend, because in the downtrend we must have lower lows and lower high, and right here after this low, the next low was equal low. Okay, equal low mean that there is no more bearish momentum to bring the price to create a new lower low. So right here in this zone here, the downtrend has ended. Okay, and then we will start counting the Elliot wave. How do you count the Elliot wave? Okay, we're going to master this subject once and for all. I will show you a very simple way to count the Elliot wave, and this is one of the easiest ones. After the downtrend, an uptrend will begin if after a consolidation. So this is our consolidation zone. The double bottom pattern is the consolidation zone because the price went down and then tried to go up, tried to display a lower low, fell, and we have this zone here. This level here, you need to pay attention very careful to what I'm going to show you now and try to master that once and for all. Anytime you see a double bottom pattern, remember, I'm going to repeat that again. Anytime you see a double bottom pattern after a downtrend, because sometimes people will see a double bottom everywhere on the chart and they would say this is a double bottom, it's a bullish. Now, the double bottom pattern that is valid is after a downtrend. So if you want to trade a double bottom pattern, it must be a downtrend. So first you have a downtrend, okay, and then you have a double bottom pattern. Sometimes people will see on the chart a double bottom anywhere on the chart, and they will say this is a double bottom pattern. But in most cases, the valid double bottom pattern are the double bottom pattern that you see after a downtrend, like we have it here. The price went down, went down, went down. The bear get tired and the price display a double bottom pattern. The horse pole zone that you have to look at is where I'm putting the horse pole now. This place here, this is why you have to remember for the double bottom pattern. the price might break that level bullishly. Okay, very important. And from there we start counting the wave. Okay, this is where is the key, the nut. This is the key area of the downtrend that come from here to here. If the price fail to cross this level bullishly, the downtrend is still on. And as you can see here, it break it. So we start counting the wave from this here. First wave, second wave. But something has happened here. The second wave must not cancel the first wave. Repeat, the second wave must not cancel the first wave. But because the first wave is from here, I will draw the line there for you to show you. Forgive me for speaking fast, okay? So this is our first wave. We start counting after this zone here, the hotspot key area. This is the last door for the bear. And as soon as the bear lost control of this zone, we know that the bearish momentum is kaput. And it break it right there, okay? Remember that, okay? So now we see, but this pattern is valid usually on a daily chart, but it's powerful on a weekly chart, okay? But if you see on a 50-minute chart, hourly chart, it can work sometime, but it's not as reliable like on a daily chart, especially on a weekly chart. So we break this zone, we start counting the wave. First wave, second wave. Our second wave is this one here. But something has happened. As you can see, the second wave has canceled the first wave because it shouldn't retrace back all the way to this level here. Okay, the second wave shouldn't come down out to the starting point of the first wave. Okay, it must retrace like 38% of this move from here. Must be like 38% or 50%, not more. Otherwise, it cancels the first wave. And right here, as you can see, this is the first wave to this level here. Okay, so if I show you clearly again what I'm talking about here, because this subject is so important and you cannot afford not to master it. So if we start the first wave from here, okay, first wave from here, it ended here, okay, and then the second